How to restore missing chat history on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to set up your end-to-end encrypted PIN so your messages sync properly across devices. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the bottom right. After that, tap Settings. At this point, scroll down to Privacy and Safety. Following this, tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats. If you're setting this up on a new device, look for a Restore Chat option at the top of that page. From here, tap it if it's showing. If you're on your main device instead, the setup works a little differently. At this stage, tap Message Storage. Following this, tap More Options. From here, make sure Auto Sync is turned on. At this stage, if you don't already have a PIN set, tap Reset PIN. Following this, create a new 6-digit PIN. From here, confirm it by entering it a second time. Once set, Messenger will ask for that PIN whenever you're restoring or syncing your chat history on a new device going forward. That's how you restore missing chat history on Messenger. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.